Video editing is very time consuming, but the new Wondershare UniConverter 13 makes it easier and quicker. Stay tuned, I'll show you how. Hi, my name is from Wondershare UniConverter. When you record a video where you talk about something or read some texts, you often probably mess it up a few times while recording it, which will leave segments of silence in the video. Talking from my own experience. So when it comes to editing, as a first step, you need to cut all those out, which takes up a lot of time. Now, the Smart Trimmer tool in the Wondershare UniConverter 13 is intended to help you with this annoying part of video editing. Let me show you how it works. When you open up the UniConverter 13, you'll want to go to the toolbox and then click Smart Trimmer. You'll have to open up the video you want to edit. As you can see on the waveform of this video, I messed up my lines quite a few times and left parts of silence in the video. The Smart Trimmer detects these and highlights them for you, as you can see here. You can manually customize the properties of the parts you want to cut out. You can filter them by volume, length, and also set a buffer length before and after the clips. You can play around with these settings, just don't forget to click run each time so that the Smart Trimmer could reanalyze the audio of the video. Under the settings, you can see the original and trimmed length of the video. To be more precise, zoom in on the timeline. If there are parts that the Smart Trimmer didn't highlight but you'd like to cut out, select the in and out points on the timeline and click the scissors icon. And then select the segment and click on this eye icon here. You can grab and hold on the in and out points of the highlighted areas and manually fine-tune them. In the player window, you can play the individual segments, take snapshots, and access full screen mode. After you're done with the settings, select an output folder and then click Save. The Smart Trimmer will do its magic and export your trimmed video, which then you can import to the UniConverter again and keep editing, adding subtitles, effects, and so on. It's easy, right? Literally a few clicks and it's done. If you have any questions regarding the Smart Trimmer of the new Wondershare UniConverter 13, please let us know in the comment section below. Also, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on video related topics. With that being said, thank you so much for watching and I'm going to see you in the next video.